So right now we went to this bell tower, and that one's the big bell. So what do you want to choose to ring the bell? This or this or this? I think let's ring this bell. And after this one. It's a big bell.
Look. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. No. Don't.
You want the big bell?
Now we'll try this one.
It's a big bell. I think it's
Yeah.
a big. Yes.
That was like the Russian bell.
Russian.
Yeah. Also, you know this. That was the two bells thing.
No.
Not so loud. Make this one.
I make it this one.
Not so loud.
Okay.
Because the priest need to come.
Shake it.
Yeah, that was the headphones. Maybe later we'll make some knock when after we'll go back home. Also, I want to wait for the priest. So let's ring one time. No. You ring already.
You go already?
Yeah. And this is the Dominic.
What?
Wait. Hadi, go and wait with Mama.
Okay.
So I have to do the show.
Okay.
So I put this camera down. So let's do the show.
So.
Dominic, not so loud.
Okay.
Okay. Also, they ring us so many times. And also, I got the toy of B. You want to ring the bell?
Yeah.
Which one you want to ring? This? Okay. You do it. Wow, good job. I love this bell.